Welcome to Atkins, Arkansas. It's the Pickle Festival 2019. This is what America eats. Just 1 hour's drive on I-40 West outside of Little Rock lies the small town of Atkins, Arkansas, where for decades the pickle reigned as the proverbial king. Since 1945, this modest town was home to the Atkins Pickle Company and a festival that celebrates the company's founding, Picklefest. Though the plant shut down its doors a few years back, the festival lives on. Before we began our journey through the festivities, we spoke with Joey Nelson to get some more insight into the fair's origins. What does Picklefest mean to the town of Atkins?
The community actually raised several thousands of dollars to help the pickle plant open back in 1945. And it's just a remembrance of not only the effort and the teamwork they did to get the pickle plant open, but it was also Mr. Fat Man himself who does the fried dill pickles, the community involvement with his drive-in and the work that came in and doing that and the business that was there to remember everything that they used to do as a community, and we're passing it down to the younger generation.
There's a pickle eating contest, yeah?
Yes.
Is it a whole pickle?
It's a whole pickle.
Now, is it the amount of pickles you eat?
No, it's how fast you can eat that one whole pickle.
Oh, fine. I don't.
When you get to the pickle drinking contest, you'll have a big, nice-sized cup of nothing but pickle juice.
Oh.
And I've seen some people just really down it really quick. That basically, it's just, as soon as it touches their lips, they just roll their head back and then put the cup down. Yes.
As I walked through the closed-off city streets of Atkins, all I could do was think about those thinly sliced fried pickles I keep hearing so much about. I decided to seek out the famous Mr. Fatman's to try them for myself. Been around a long time?
Since 1963, John. My grandfather passed away. My dad picked it up, went quite a few years with that, and we lost my dad last year, so now it's the next generation's going.
Third generation now passed down to you. I hear you've got a secret recipe, you know, I mean, from England, from America. We're like sister and brother, our countries, you know, and a little, you know, just a little spill.
It's got a pickle in it.
It's got a... They're sliced relatively thin.
Because you get it too thick, you're just eating pickle with one bit of bread on it. But this way, you got a good balance of the breading and the pickle.
No, pickles are wet. Do you have to dry them before breading?
I can't tell you that.
Oh, you can't tell us that. That's one of the secrets. Okay, so we got the breading on. The oil's $3.75. I see.
Put them in back there. And we just let them sit there. That way you get a nice coating on both sides of it.
Beautiful coating, nice consistency, golden crust.
Exactly.
This is my first lengthwise fried pickle. Now that coating already, you can hear it. I'm gonna put it by my microphone so they can hear it, just how crispy this is. That's crisp. How do you get it so crisp?
Well, can't tell you.
You guys have perfected how to make a crisp pickle. This is worth flying here for. It's that good.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah, I think your granddad will be proud of you here, buddy. You kept that recipe a secret. Are you looking to get adopt any more family members? Are you looking to adopt someone? Do I get the recipe then?
It just good luck.
I've tried everything. Oh boy, it's getting busy now, mate.
Get out of the way.
If you just allow me, I can do this.
Well, do it then. Quit standing there looking at it.
This is some pressure with these pickles, partner. We must be up to 2,000 already. I wish I had my exercise watch on. I'd be able to burn some calories here.
You're finally figuring it out. You're staying out of the way.
I can see that. I'm staying. I don't know about you, but I'd say that was a success. And while I wait for my new business card that reads Jon Ashton Fat Man, I might as well continue enjoying the festival. You even get candy at the parade. It's fabulous. What's your favorite way of having a pickle?
You gotta have a pickle on a sandwich. If you don't have a pickle on a sandwich, it's like having a date with no woman.
You could be a country music artist. That's brilliant. What's your favorite way to eat pickles?
With peanut butter.
What? Peanut butter and pickles? I never would have thought of that.
I put it on toast.
Do you like pickles?
Regular poo.
Just regular pickles. I like that you laugh when you say it. What's your favourite way to eat a pickle?
I don't eat pickles.
It isn't just incredible food of all types that makes this festival great. It's the vibrant community that spends so much time every year remembering how their elders joined forces in a time of need to better their town. And in that same vein, the festival's vendors donate their profits to do the same. Even though the pickle trade is no longer sustaining the local economy, the spirit that brought the industry to Atkins lives on through this incredible festival. And the pickle itself lives on in plenty of ways, namely the pickle juice drinking contest that I was less excited to find myself participating in.
Jon Ashton, are you ready?
No.
Contestants, countdown 3, 2, 1, go!
That was close. That was close. It's nearly empty. After the intense competition came to an end, I'd had my fill of dill. It was time for something sweet. Boy, these people love their pickles. And some of them even love each other. He just proposed to Amanda. That was beautiful. As the old saying goes, nothing brings people together like a pickle. Okay, it's not an old saying. I just made it up, but it might as well be. Folks of all ages come together every year to put on Picklefest, not just because it's fun. They like to eat all these amazing foods, or feel the satisfaction of quickly eating a pickle, or downing a big gulp of pickle juice, but it's because it unites the town of Atkins for a common purpose. And it works, because people are packed in this festival like sardines, or if I may say, pickles. It's been a wonderful time at Picklefest 2019. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton, and this is What America Eats.